Okay, got an old lock here. Has I thought that was a C. That might even be a F. F-A-R-L-E. Fairly. Look like a little bear or something in there. Inside that little shield, maybe. But anyway, I already took the screw out. This is the handle that goes to it, I think, which is in a real good shape. I'm not sure if it goes to it or not, but anyway, it was in it. Old skeleton key lock. Nothing really on the other side to identify anything, but I was very surprised. One little screw. Pop that screw out, pop this off. 300 2C. First thing I noticed, the deadbolt right here is jammed up in there, and it looks like it has been bent, possibly. So this is my first time ever messing. What is that? I don't know what that is. 1 something. 1/8 maybe. Looks like 1/8. I don't know what any of that stuff means. 300, 400. Maybe that told the guys what kind of lock it was or something. I'm gonna have to research this because I don't have a clue. So I'm gonna take it apart and see if I can restore it. First time for me to ever mess with one. Alright, and we'll see what it looks like when I get done. Better take a lot of pictures and remember.